Hello everyone! Are you curious about how often to change a hamster's bedding? Let's explore! Changing the bedding in a hamster's cage is an essential aspect of proper hamster care and helps maintain a clean and hygienic environment for your pet. In general, you should aim to change the hamster's bedding completely at least once a week. This involves removing all of the old bedding from the cage and replacing it with fresh, clean bedding material. Additionally, spot cleaning should be done as needed to remove any soiled or wet bedding from the cage. Pay particular attention to areas where the hamster tends to urinate or defecate, as these areas can become dirty quickly and may require more frequent spot cleaning. The frequency of bedding changes may vary depending on factors such as the size of the cage, the number of hamsters housed together, and the type of bedding used. Larger cages with multiple hamsters may require more frequent bedding changes, while smaller cages with a single hamster may need less frequent changes. It's essential to monitor the bedding for signs of odor, moisture, or contamination between changes. If you notice any foul smells or visible signs of dirt or bacteria, it may be necessary to change the bedding more frequently to maintain a clean and healthy environment for your hamster. Furthermore, providing a suitable bedding material, such as paper-based bedding or aspen shavings, can help absorb moisture, control odor, and provide a comfortable and hygienic substrate for your hamster. Avoid using cedar or pine bedding, as these materials can emit aromatic oils that may be harmful to hamsters. In summary, you should aim to change your hamster's bedding completely at least once a week, with spot cleaning as needed to maintain cleanliness between changes. Monitoring the bedding for signs of odor or contamination and providing a suitable substrate are essential for ensuring a clean and healthy environment for your pet hamster. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.